I've written thousands of EAs over the last 6 years. 99.9% of them are now rotting in a bin after going through an evaluation process. And after all the efforts and years of writing codes, I now have 14 EAs that now make up my portfolio after having stood the test of time. I've been working on a new concept the last 2 months, and when I ran some backtest, I started to doubt if it was even real. Because I've never written something which ticked all the boxes like this one. It's a beautiful EA, based on momentum and sudden movements in the market, a higher time frame chart pattern, market extremities and sudden stampedes, and
What? What momentum? What are you talking about? What time o'clocks? What are you talking about?
higher time frame candle.
Why are you ignoring me? I'm trying to tell you.
You see that screen? This is what your kids are gonna remember me for. Let me show you some. Euro USD 5 minutes chart, 2024 to 2025. So 1 year and 3 months. Every take with 1,000 deposit. Let's go. Here you don't see any running drawdowns because there is a very tight stop loss in place. Look at the backtest results. From 1,000 to 35,000. A balanced drawdown of only 5%.
What's a drawdown?
You see there is profit in the market? It's a small dip in that.
Like my dimple?
Exactly like your dimple. Now let's run it on GBP USD. You see again, no running drawdown because there is only a 5 pip stop loss. Yes, you heard it right.
5 pips stop loss.
Look at the results. Look at the back. Oh my God. Look at this. From 1,000 to 327,000. Only 6% drawdown. A very small dimple. 80% win on long trades, 80% win on short trades, average profit trade of 800, average loss trade of 774. So a 1-to-1 risk to reward on an 80% win rate. But wait until you see USD JPY. Look at this thing. I mean, look at this thing. My God, I know it's a backtest, but it's still, just look. Holy cow, this is the mother of the scalping EA. From 1,000 to 9.5 million, 4.6% drawdown, 83% long trade win, 80% short trade win, profit factor of 5, recovery factor 208, expected pay of 4,000, Sharpie ratio of 80, average profit trade of 6,000, average loss rate of 3,000. So almost a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on an 82% win rate.
What win rate? What profit? You said that we're going to spend time today. You said, hey, Diva, let's go play golf. And even here, you're not mentally present. Or you can talk about your GYE, MBA.
My EA.
Yes, my A, me A, whatever. I was growing up while you were writing these codes, and you spent all of your time on them, and even now you're only thinking about trading all day. Are you even listening to me? Did you take your medicine today?
I don't know. But I did write that EA.